What's up, guys? Welcome. This is our first ever home that we have ever owned, and we wanted to show you a quick walkthrough of the before we start touching anything inside the house and before we start fixing and renovating.
Before we move into, before we get all our furniture and all that kind of stuff in it.
All right, so let's walk in. We're gonna go through the garage and so we'll go through each room and tell you what is the game plan at the moment for each room. And then this way you guys will have something to refer to. Make sure you stick around to the end because we are going to show you
the best part.
The best part, it's a live-in apartment downstairs. It's a bit of a disaster, but we're going to fix up. All right, so this is
the garage.
Two-car garage?
We'll find out. We're going to try to, we'll see.
2 smart cars, 1 regular car garage. The kitchen's on this side, so we're almost imagining that we're going to pull this out to about here where the window is.
The kitchen's very small, so we're going to try to make it a little bit bigger.
Create a formal mudroom in here, and then a massive pantry that's going to go this way. Because right now there is no mudroom in the house.
There's no main entrance to the house, and we would like that.
So that's going to be it. And then the rest of this space is going to be this like flex, kind of indoor-outdoor space where we'll epoxy the floor. We'll do some built-ins. If we ever have guests over, like a bunch of people over, like that's where we'll set up a massive table and it'll be like indoor-outdoor kind of situation.
We'll see.
All right, let's do this. Oh, we didn't turn the lights on. All right.
Here's the kitchen. You walk right into it. Bam. I know, where do you even stand? Because you can't even get the whole, here we could stand over here in this ugly part. And you can see all the shelving.
So this is the kitchen. We're hoping to push that wall 4 feet out that way, which will give us a lot more room here. Also give us an opportunity to have a bigger island. So that's going to be like probably one of our first projects is blowing that out.
And that way too.
So then make a bigger mud room on that side, push this kitchen over, and then this door is going to be gone because right now the
fridge was here.
Yeah.
The original fridge, if the cameraman turns around, the original fridge was on that empty space right there. It was a smaller fridge, and I believe the previous owners bought a regular size fridge and like put it right here. And we didn't like it, so we're putting it in front of the door for now. I know that's not a thing, but we're gonna make it a thing for right now.
But that door is gonna be gone. We're gonna do some cool built-in like seating over here. Probably our little table is gonna go here.
Yeah, there's no formal dining in this space. I don't think the space is big enough, but we're gonna work with what we got and do our best.
All right, then we have, I guess let's walk into the living room.
Check out the sick one light we got here.
So this is it's
not even plugged in.
I'll plug it in. It's a plug-in overhead light.
It really gives you a full...
There you go. So that's our first light.
So this is the living room.
Okay, but the room has a lot of potential. Cool view out the back, out to the property that we still have to clean up as well. We'll go over and we'll do an actual outside tour of this on a separate video. Right now we're just going to focus on the inside. What do you think about this door?
We're going to get rid of these 2 windows and hopefully put a French door. There's a porch or deck out there, and the only really way to get into it is from that door, and that's kind of obnoxious. So we'd love to put a French door here. Obviously redo these windows, but we love this big window. I think it's great. The floors in here are real hardwood floors. I don't know if we'll keep them, but... Probably
not, because this is literally the only floors in the entire house that match. So if we want to run the floors all the way through, we won't be able to do that.
Fireplace, we want to do something with it.
It's a functional fireplace, wood-burning fireplace. So we'll see if we're going to
Maybe we'll try to take this down. Unfortunately, behind there is just cinder blocks, so we'll do something. Maybe tile, maybe shiplap. People like shiplap, right? Throw shiplap everywhere. All right, master bedroom is this way. The other light.
Cool.
We will be getting rid of this rug. Little snack break, here you go.
All right, so this rug's gonna go, obviously. The master bedroom itself, we're not gonna do too much, maybe some feature wall, but other than that, the room's gonna stay as is.
I think we're gonna bring the closet. Area. There's a closet, but we wanna maybe bring it out this way to add to the bathroom. The bathroom's very small. We'll show you.
We'll show you that next, but essentially the bathroom is gonna come to here, and this closet is just gonna bump out to this space right here, so we are still keeping that. It's going to make the room a little bit smaller, but the bathroom is actually going to be legit.
The bathroom needs to be bigger. It's the only bathroom in the house.
It's the one thing that we know how to do. Yeah. We're going to make sure that we actually do it right. So we're going to make sure that the bathroom is sick. Let's show that next. It's pretty legit. Here's our couch. Let me move the couch.
That's our couch.
All right.
Here's
Welcome.
the bathroom.
Show the sink.
A lot of storage space for
Keep
your
the
stuff.
12-inch sink or 18-inch sink.
Recessed medicine cabinet. Comes with no light bulbs. It's perfect for you.
So yeah, so once we push that out, it'll be able to get out of the way of this. It'll be able to get out of this way. So all of this will be back here essentially, and we can do a 48-inch vanity there. The toilet's gonna go this way. The tub's gonna come this way a little bit, and I wanna do a sick bench.
Yeah, Misha's been dying to add like a bench. And all I can think about is our kids standing on the bench and jumping into the tub. So
Yeah.
we'll see how it goes.
So we'll do like a 6-inch bench,
Here.
like shelf essentially, all the way across. And then there's like a weird closet. in
Honestly
here
though,
as well.
this bathroom isn't that bad. I think we've seen worse bathrooms that we've redone for clients.
True.
Like the
there was that
subway
bathroom where I
tile,
had to
like-
clean up poop once.
Right,
but-
like, I mean, I did come in here and clean it already, but it's still, I feel like we've seen worse bathrooms before. All right, we're exiting the bathroom.
All right, now we're gonna
The
go to
whole family.
the kids' room. So this is gonna be these guys' room.
Yeah, come show your room.
Smaller. I mean, actually, the room's decent size. Closet. This is the closet to the back of that other, butts the other back of the other one. There's a
here's another
closet in
closet over
there.
here.
But like what we want to do here is like do one of those
Bunk beds.
Instagram style like just bougie huge bunk beds that is just got like light switches in there,
More
socks.
this way.
I'm imagining this way,
way.
so there's more room. So we'll go like
How's that
that.
more? Look at the door right there.
Yeah, but you just all right. So we'll do like one of those. I want to do a slide, right, Oak?
The slide.
We're gonna do a slide coming down off the bed, and then it's gonna be a little ladder, and it's gonna be one of those things
That'll
where
be
like,
cool.
yeah,
We're excited to give them like a really cool bedroom
this is gonna be their first basically bedroom that they have on their own, and
that they'll remember. They did share a bedroom, but they were so young. Like
yeah. So this one
babies.
they'll have on their own, and like we actually just want to like treat
More
them
pumped.
treat them to that. All right. So that's basically the first floor. Now we're gonna go downstairs and show you the apartment, the
Or
studio, whatever it is.
The
We're gonna
money,
show you
the
that
money
next.
pit. There's no lighting in here. Leave that door open. There's no lighting.
There's no lighting in here.
There's no lighting in here, folks. This is the dungeon.
Why do you have light on your face?
This is some serious bouginess in
Why do
here.
you have light on your face?
I wish
There's a light.
you could smell
Yeah.
in
It
videos.
smells good.
So this is
smells like work.
Essentially, we could make it an ensuite. It has a kitchen. If our cameraman turns around, see there's a kitchen there. It does have a bedroom that we can convert.
I would go upstairs.
A nice step-up bathroom.
I would go upstairs.
You wanna go upstairs? Oh, is there light in here?
No.
There's no light in here
You wanna go
either.
upstairs?
Yeah.
You not like it down here?
All right. Well, cool thing is this is legal. So it's approved by the town. It's all like whatever the paperwork. This is a legal place. We just need to fix it. And then we can either
Yeah.
Airbnb it or we'll be able to have family over or whatever, or like a live studio, whatever we can do. Like
It has a lot of potential.
There'll be something here.
It really does.
So legal is awesome. That's like the biggest part with these things is, so that's what like
I mean, it has
a-
its own
a
fireplace.
big win. And it is a working fireplace
Like
that's
it
connected
does have
to
its
the
own
upstairs.
deck. It's rotted, but it does have its own deck. This is a window. They just didn't want anyone to see inside.
Yeah.
And there's a
Some
mouse
good
problem
stuff.
down here. We're going to take
Mouse
care of that
problem we're gonna
right
fix.
after this video.
All right, let's go back outside.
So this concludes our house tour. Thank you for coming to our crib. Yo, you remember MTV Cribs?
Cribs.
Thanks for coming to our crib.
This is the crib before the crib.
The crib before.
Crib
Thanks
before the
for
crib.
yeah, to help us with our crib.
This is our first ever home, so we're excited to work on it. I hope you guys watch and follow our
Our
journey.
journey. Good luck.
Good luck. All right.